Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the new top model, which is expected at the beginning of 2022. Content all about the design, specifications, price, and release date here. A lot has been said and written about the new S Series 2022 model in recent weeks. Based on all the rumors and graphic designer Parvez Khan, Architecniso Concept has created a series of 3D renders of Samsung's expected flagship in collaboration with Let's Go Digital. We already mentioned it in the introduction. The Ultra model will have a different design for the first time compared to the other two S22 models. The S series smartphones have been known for their round shapes for years. The Note model range, on the other hand, is characterized by straighter lines. The design of the Samsung S22 Ultra will therefore match the Note lineup more than the S series. This gives the Samsung S22 Ultra a sleek, business look. Moreover, this design seems to be necessary to create sufficient space for the S Pen compartment, which is integrated at the bottom left of the device. A lot is also known about the hardware. Samsung provides its S series model with two different types of chipset depending on the region. In Europe, the Exynos SoC from Samsung is usually used. In other regions, including the US and South Korea, the Qualcomm counterpart will be used. The Samsung Exynos chips are usually less powerful than the Qualcomm Snapdragon variant. However, Samsung has started serious catching up. The South Korean manufacturer has already announced that it has entered into a partnership with AMD. The first result of this collaboration will be visible with the upcoming Exynos 2200. This SoC will be equipped with an AMD GPU with ray tracing technology. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 will probably be used in other parts of the world. The Exynos variant comes out better from the first benchmark test result. Nevertheless, the necessary adjustments will undoubtedly be made in the coming period. You can in any case assume that the new top model from Samsung will also offer top performance, regardless of the chip variant. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the largest phone in the new S series and will therefore have a largest battery. It seems that Samsung will again opt for a 5000 mAh battery. In practice, this will mean that you can get through the day without any problems. Charging is done via the USB connection on the bottom of the device. It is possible that Samsung will postpone the S22 release for a month in order to introduce the Galaxy S21 FE. Before then, the S21 Fan Edition has been planned for some time. However, due to persistent chip shortage, the introduction of the device has been postponed several times. However, Samsung still seems to intend to release this cheap variant, possibly in January 2022, regardless of whether the S22 series will be announced in January or February. There is a good chance that the new models will be showcased at MWC 2020.